Assalamualaikum viewers. Once again, welcome back to my channel, My Hobbies with Nargis. So this is my first basket, the smaller size, which is cross cut. It is made up of pink and yellow color. The next you can see, this is a small basket made up of half roll with silver color and sandal deluxe wire. The handles are made up of 2 wires, the twisted handle. Then the next we are going to see is the same size basket, which is made with orange color and the green disco wire. This is also made up of half roll, small basket, the handle with 2 wires, twisted handle. This can be used for gift purposes. See, this is the yellow with black, which gives you a look of an auto rickshaw. These are the super deluxe wires. All these are the basic knots. The basket is made with the running wire, and the handle is also 2 wires twisted handle. The colors are bright. This is made up of 2x2 pattern model basket. This is also yellow color and blue color glass wire. The handle is, which we call it as the chuckly handle or a spike handle also we can say. This is the 4x4 pattern or 4+4 pattern also you can call it. This is also used with brown or you can say dark chocolate color wire with yellow. This is twisted handle made out of 2 wires, the outer wires I am saying. And the quantity used here is 2 rolls of the super deluxe wires, 1 roll of the brown color and the one with yellow. This is also the normal basic knot basket. This next one is the vibrant bright color basket. This is a cross cut basket. You can see I had already uploaded a full tutorial, complete making tutorial of this basket. You can go to that. I am sharing the link below in the description. This is the dot handle made up of 2 wires. This can be used as a lunch basket where you can keep your tiffin box and the water bottle as well. The next one is the beads basket. You can also get this complete tutorial of weaving this basket in the description below. I have used beads orange colored and the maroon color glass wire has been used here. You can see the handles here. This handle is known as flat handle. You can see it's completely flat and looks amazing. This is also made up of 1 roll. Next is this Amlaknot, or you can say the Amlaknot is made up of that pink and green color. The mehendi green has been used here. Bottom you can see it's completely the Amla knots I have made. Then in the center you can see the cross cut knots, and again at the top you will get the Amla knots. The same type of handle, which is a flat handle, I had made here with using the mehendi green color wire. The both wires are super deluxe wires. This is also made up of 2 roll of super deluxe wires. This is also 2 roll basket. Isn't it nice? Looks beautiful. These are the medium sized baskets. The next is the 3-roll wire basket I had made here. It's not exactly 3-roll, it is up to 2.5. Look, it's a hexagon basket. You can see the bottom is with pink color, then the mixed color knots with yellow, and then the hexagons are made at the center, then again the mixed knots at the top. Pink and yellow combination looks great. The handles are again the 2 wires twisted handle as a candy, or you can say it looks like ice cream color. The marshmallow colors it seems to be. Isn't it beautiful? It looks amazing. Next is the 4-roll wire basket. This is the complete 4-roll wire which has been used here. The bottom is large, it's quite big. This is the next size to the market size basket. You can see here. It's very good, spacious, and the handles are again here, the twisted handle made up of 2 wires, outer wires, and there are 6 to 8 inner wires in that. I have used here sandal, violet and sky blue color, which is bright enough. We can carry up to 10 kgs. This is the largest, that is the XL. You can say the extra large size basket, XL size, made up of 4 rolls of plastic wire. The next is the 2.5 roll basket. You can say it as market basket, which is XL size. The smaller than XL, which is the large size, and this is the medium size basket, Amlaknot basket. The next is the beads basket. This is also a medium size basket. And this is a lunch size basket, which will be square in shape. At the bottom you can see this is a 2-roll basket, which is a medium size again. The same one here, a medium size basket once again. All these are made up of 2-roll. This is made up of 1 roll, yellow and black. All these are basic knots. This is the half roll basket. The same one here, half roll basket. This is the smaller one. You can say just a quarter roll. The more, that too, it's very less wide used here. This, the handle of this, again the spike handle you can see here. Colors are very good, bright, very nice. Just comment on this and let me know how is my collection of DIY baskets made. I hope you like it. I'll once again thank to all the viewers and the subscribers for supporting me. You can click on the links below and get the tutorials of the basket weaving, which is a complete tutorial. Without skipping, you can watch it and make of your own. The viewers who those have not still subscribed my channel, please do, so that I can upload more and more videos and you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. For latest notification, you have to click on the bell icon and make the all section selected, so that as soon as I upload you can get the notifications and go on to see that. Isn't it nice? All the baskets are looking amazing. The two wire twisted handles are strong enough. They are soft and they give you a good grip in your hand. These are the flat handles. These two baskets have the flat handle, the green one and the maroon beads basket. They look amazing. These are the two dot wire basket. This is the twisted basket. This is the spike handle. And these are the again the twisted or the swirl two wire handles. You can see all are different in color, size, models, designs, and the look. I hope you like. Thank you once again. Allah Hafiz. Will meet in the next video.